I need to do something about it with the capacity that was given to me by Allah. But I do not take prayer and supplication out of the equation. Prayer and supplication, more powerful than anything you will do, but it is coupled with what you shall do, because Allah gives you the ability to do it. So you have some people saying, you know what, I want this, but I'm just going to pray about it. That's it. I need the job, and I'm going to ask Allah all night, every night. Allah's allowed you to discover the email of perhaps the place where you want to work. Allah's allowed you to discover the name of the person who's at human resources, who's perhaps dishing out the jobs. And Allah expects you to utilize your mind that He gave you, your capacity